made it in the vlog yesterday. I just totally spaced me last night after bringing in groceries to even pick up a camera again. So that didn't happen. And today we don't really have that much to do. Some basic cleaning. I just edited the vlog and I'm uploading it now. And I think we really need to get outside today. It's supposed to be 68 degrees today, so we need to get outside, let the kids run around, because they don't want to run around anymore like right now. They don't want to run around and play in the house. They just want to sit down and watch TV. And so like the past few days I haven't turned the TV on for any of their shows except for like in the evening. But they don't want to get up and play. They'd rather just sit down. And so we need to get out of the house and have them run around and get them back to playing, because I don't need them to just sit. They need to let out their energy and have fun. So that's what we've got planned for today. Waiting to work on the thumbnail. It's really nice at the park today, so I think I'm gonna let the kids play as long as I can. But when I picked Forrest up to put him in the swing, it like hurt my back really bad. So I just got him out of the swings after a few minutes, and I'm just gonna sit, which I feel really bad just sitting and not playing with him, but it just really hurt, which was really weird. I'm not used to that, so wonder what happened. We're trying to have some relaxing time on the couch with the lights down. Just watch a little show and see if Hadley will fall asleep. Wish I could fall asleep. My back still hurts. Whatever I did to it at the park, it has like, it's really uncomfortable. I can't like sit in certain ways right now, and like moving, it just hurts. So I wonder what I did. Okay, so one thing that makes me really happy is that, like, I made grilled chicken and then we had salad with it for dinner. I just had grilled chicken salads. And I didn't have to make anything else for the kids. Like, they enjoy eating salad, which is really strange because as a kid I would have never eaten salad. I mean, I don't even always want to eat it now. But they both ate their entire chicken salad dinner, and it's just so fun that that's what they enjoy. Or not fun that that's what they enjoy. I just like it. Okay, so Jake is off to meetings tonight, and the kids and I are just gonna watch an episode of their show, and then they're gonna go to bed. They've already taken their bath and gotten their teeth brushed, so we're gonna end the vlog here today. So if you like the video, subscribe down below and click the like button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!